Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Mercedes GLC. We'll dive into its elegant design, robust performance, and cutting-edge technology. You'll learn about the distinct characteristics of each GLC model and trim level. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which GLC variant aligns perfectly with your lifestyle and driving preferences. This comprehensive overview will help you make an informed decision about this popular luxury SUV. The Mercedes GLC provides a dynamic driving experience with its diverse engine lineup, including efficient hybrid options. You'll appreciate the refined handling and exceptionally comfortable ride, perfect for both city commutes and longer journeys. For enhanced confidence in varying conditions, the available 4MATIC all-wheel drive system ensures superior traction and stability. Whether you prioritize power or fuel efficiency, there's a GLC powertrain for you. If you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Your support helps us create more content like this. Quick recommendation: just like the GLC makes driving easy, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Step inside the GLC and discover a luxurious cabin crafted with premium materials and meticulous attention to detail. The intuitive MBUX infotainment system keeps you connected and entertained with its responsive touchscreen and voice control. Furthermore, a suite of advanced driver assistance systems provides peace of mind, enhancing both safety and convenience on every trip. Enjoy a truly modern and sophisticated driving environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.